everyone, I'm Jorby Pakilit, and today I will talk about multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. So first, multimedia is the combination of different forms of media such as text, images, audio, video, and animation. It is used in presentations, social media, education, and entertainment. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It includes computers, smartphones, the internet, and other technologies that can help us communicate and share information. Importance. In the 21st century, multimedia and ICT are very important because they make learning easier, communication faster, and information more accessible. In conclusion, multimedia and ICT play a big role in our daily lives. They help us learn, communicate, work, and enjoy entertainment in the modern world. Thank you for watching and have a great day.